Hi there YouTube, and welcome to the 6th tutorial in the Holds of John tutorial series of Windows 7. In today's episode, as requested, I'm going to show you how you can connect to a printer which is also connected to the same network. First off, the obvious thing is you need to be connected to a network. Now, you can use one of my other videos to find out how to do this, but in the bottom right hand corner you will need to locate the wireless network icon and connect through that. So once you're connected, another thing which you got to do is make sure that the computer which the printer is connected to is also connected to the router. So two computers are connected to the router. One of them is attached with the printer, and the other one is the one that you're trying to connect. So I've just swapped over to my big computer where the printer is connected to this computer. So what we need to do before we do anything is make sure that the printer is set up to share. So go to Start, type printers and hit enter, and we can see all the printers which are installed on the PC. This is the printer I am planning to share, so we'll right click it and then go to sharing. Now this should open up a dialog box, and if you haven't already got it, click share. And we can see here that we have the option to change the sharing options. So click that. Make sure that you run as an administrator. Okay, make sure that this box is ticked. This is the most important. And then choose a name. If you need to add additional drivers, you can do that here by ticking the ones you need. And I generally have this ticked as well. From here, then, you can also use the Advanced tab to select when printing is available, so you could do it between certain times, the priority for the printer, and other preferences. Once you've done, click Apply and then OK. And that's it. It's ready to share, and then we can move on to the next step. So it's pretty simple to do. Once you know that the printer is connected and turned on, go to the Start, Network, and a list of computers which are connected to the network will appear. This might take a minute or so, just for it to adjust. If you can't see the computer which it's connected to, right click and click Refresh, and also make sure that it's connected to the internet. Then, the printer which I want is connected to Jordan PC, and I'm using Jordan Laptop. So I open Jordan PC, and we can see here that I've set up a printer which is shared, and it's called Kodak ESP5 All-in-One, and that's in my room, and that's the exact one which I'm wanting. I would double click that. This dialog box comes up, trying to connect to the printer. If the printer is installed on the computer which you are trying to connect to also, then it will probably have to send through some drivers. So you take the drivers, you accept that the drivers are downloaded to your computer, it installs them and unpackages them. The next time when we double click on it, we get this dialog box which shows you the print job of the printer. So the listings for what is printing at the moment. As you can see, there's no documents printing at all, that's because I haven't sent any. So that's pretty easy, but that's pretty much it. All you have to do then is find a file which you would like to print. So I'm just going to make one up off the spot here. So, hello. I would then go to File and Print, as normal. And then here where it says Printer and Name, choose from the drop down menu and find the printer you're looking for. It's generally represented like this. Backslash twice, the name of the PC, backslash, and then the name of the printer. You would click on that and it would automatically assign itself to that program, so we can see here where it is, what kind of printer it is. If you can't for some strange reason find it, click Find Printer, but that's only available with Active Directory. Once you're ready, click OK, and that will send straight through to your printer, and it might take a minute as well for it to send through because it is going through the network. But it will do it, and just give it some time. If you ever need to check back up on the status of your printer, that's simple too. Simply go to the start menu and type in the search bar printers. The first one you'll see is devices and printers, so click that and another dialog box will appear. Here we can see all the devices and the printers which are connected. This is the one that we recently connected, and we can see its state, how many documents are in the queue, its kind, and what category it is. From here, right click and you can see what's printing. You can set it as the default printer, do the preferences and properties. You can create a shortcut to put on your desktop if you ever need to get back there. You can remove the device or troubleshoot. It's entirely up to do what you decide to do with it. Thank you very much for watching this tutorial, and I hope it's come in handy if you ever need to connect your printer to another or multiple computers. If you have any problems, please do leave a comment below, and yeah, hopefully it's going to be beneficial to you. Thank you very much, and bye bye.